Welcome to Case Law Videos. Today, we delve into a crucial judgment by the Supreme Court of India concerning seniority in government service. This case, brought by the government of Karnataka against K.C. Devaki, addresses the question of seniority following a cadre change. Let's break down the facts. In 1979, K.C. Devaki was appointed as a staff nurse. In 1985, due to medical reasons, specifically bronchitis, she requested a cadre change to First Division Assistant or FDA. The government granted her request, but with a condition: she would be placed at the bottom of the FDA seniority list. Devaki consented. In 2007, the government issued a seniority list, placing Devaki's seniority from 1989, the date of her cadre change, not her initial appointment in 1979. Devaki challenged this, claiming her seniority should be from 1979. The Karnataka Administrative Tribunal ruled in her favor, relying on a previous High Court decision. The High Court upheld this decision. The government of Karnataka then appealed to the Supreme Court. The core issue before the Supreme Court was, when a government employee transfers to a new cadre at their request, do they retain seniority from their original appointment, or is seniority determined by the date of entry into the new cadre? To understand this, we need to look at the applicable rules, the Karnataka Civil Services, General Recruitment, Rules 1977, and the Karnataka Government Servants, Seniority, Rules 1957. Rule 16 of the 1977 rules allows cadre changes for incapacitated officers, but permits placement in a lower position with consent. Rule 6 of the 1957 rules distinguishes between transfers in public interest, where seniority is preserved, and transfers at an officer's request, where seniority is placed at the bottom of the new cadre. The government of Karnataka argued that Devaki's transfer was at her request, and her consent to junior-most seniority was binding. Devaki argued that her medical condition made her transfer a matter of public interest, entitling her to seniority from 1979. The Supreme Court allowed the government's appeal, setting aside the High Court's order. The court held that Devaki's seniority should be fixed from 1989. The court reasoned that government service is governed by rules, not contracts. Devaki consented to junior-most seniority. The court emphasized the distinction between transfers in public interest and those at an employee's request. Medical grounds, while valid, do not automatically make a transfer a matter of public interest. The Supreme Court overruled the High Court's decision in K. Sitaramulu, which incorrectly treated medical-based cadre changes as inherently in public interest. They upheld the M.K. Jagdish precedent, which aligned with the facts of Devaki's case. The key takeaway is, seniority in a new cadre depends on whether the transfer was in public interest or at the employee's request. Consent to junior-most seniority is binding. This judgment clarifies the distinction between public interest and personal request transfers, ensuring adherence to statutory provisions in seniority disputes.